Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark for Loose Screws Reviews, back again with another video. And today, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of one of those power banks, and portable power banks, a solar charger power bank, 2500 mile solar charger power bank. But you know how we do. Before we do that, let's get all this business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're notified of new videos. Tell a friend, so we get that 2,000 subscribe mark. We'll be doing some giveaways of some of the products I review and unbox on the channel. Alright, now we got all that business and politicking out of the way. Let's get to the video. Alright, today I got one of those another power bank, solar charger, power bank, portable power bank, power charger, whatever you want to call it. Getting tongue tied in here. Let's see, power your life, power your work. That's what it says on the box. Made in China, like everything else. Let's see here. Tells you on the box, solar charger, high capacity, fast charge. We'll determine that in a minute. Universal, whatever that word is right there. You see that. You can pause it, read it for yourself. And an LED flashlight. All right. I checked it out earlier and I just put it back in the box for the purpose of the for the video. But I'm gonna take it on out so you can see how it was when I got it. All right. Before I get them to show you where you can get it from, you can get this bad boy on Amazon for $33.99. Regular price is $39.99. You know, so check it out. I'm gonna give you some of the specs on it before I open up the package. Like I say, it's a solar charger, 2500 mAh, from a company called IXNINE. You can see right here. And you pause that, you know, read for yourself if it's gonna focus or not. You see it right here. There you go. Because I don't want to mess up, murder the name. But solar charger power bank with 4 solar panels. Good for smartphones, tablets, and outdoor camping. So this would be perfect if you do a lot of camping, traveling, and stuff like that. So summertime, and some of the soldiers out there, you go to the field, you're out there in the field for long periods of time, need something to keep your devices charged up, some juice. This would be perfect for you right here, because got all these solar panels on there. Never run out of juice. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Let's see here. Get it out of the box. I already had it open. Let's get it out of the box. So your owner's man. You got your little booklet. Got the charger itself. Take it out of the paper. Then put the charger to the side. See what else we get in the box. Comes with a micro USB cord, not C, but hey, it is what it is. That's all that's in the box. Let's put all this stuff out of the way. I might need to check this in a minute, but put that to the side for the moment. Alright, here's the charger itself. We got the little name on there. If you guys know how to know the name of it, drop it down in the comments below and put a comment in. You know the name, whatever. But IXNINE or whatever, I don't know. But anyway, it's got little buttons on here. Got a little snap right here to keep it together. Nice leather. Let me smell it. Oh, it don't quite smell like leather, but it smells like a chemical smell. But anyway, not a loud smell. But anyway, on the back, you see you got your little information on here. Got your little specs on here. 25 mAh, 92. Nah, I'm not gonna say that. But input max 5 volt, solar panel 5 volt. Okay, right there. And then you got your light on here, power button. And you got your USBs right here. So you got 2 USB ports, micro USB right here. And I want to say this might be water resistant, but let me double check the specs. I don't want to say the wrong thing. Let me see down here. 4 high capacity, blah blah blah. Let's see here. Doesn't say anything about water resistant, but I'm pretty sure you can get a little splash on there. It shouldn't hurt anything. Yes, we see it right there. Waterproof. It's protected It's waterproof, so and dust proof. So yeah, it is. So yeah. So let's pick this back up. And like I said, you got this good little seal on there. It says USB on here. Open it up. I just had it open. My nails is not open. Want to open it back up, but we're gonna get it back open. There we go. See, good seal on there. Open it up. Bam, bam, and bam. You got 4 solar panels on there. So, you know, instead of just having one, you got 4. I have another one laying around here, but it only had 1 solar panel. But this having 4, it should you know, charge a little bit quicker than just having 1. So let me see if it says on here how long it takes for the charger. Okay, it says solar charging, the power is 6 watts and input current is 1.2 amp, and it'll take about 30 to 35 hours to fully charge. So with the solar panel. So basically, this is, you know, you're using it, if you're using it during the day, keep these bad boys open so they kind of keep it topped off. Basically, that's what your solar panels, your solar charging part is going to be, to kind of keep your device, keep the power bank topped off. So, you know, but you're always going to get a quicker charge by, you know, plugging it in and charging it. But for like if you're out and about camping or whatever, to having it laying out there at the campsite, so this is just be keeping your power bank topped off. All right. Let's see. It's got, like I said, it's got the flashlight. Let me fold this back up so you can see the flashlight. Got your power button right here. You got little icons showing that's the light. Just go ahead and turn it on. All right, 1 click on. 2nd click, SOS. 3rd click, emergency strobe. All right, 1 click off. So one click on, 2 click SOS, 3rd click strobe. All right, you got it. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Again, you can see both sides. Pretty decent. And it's pretty. It's got some good weight to it. Real good weight. Like I said, it's 2,500 mile. Plenty of juice. You should be able to charge like a Note, Samsung Galaxy Note. Probably charge your Samsung Galaxy Note about 4 times, maybe 5, just depending on, you know, what your battery percentage is. You probably charge say an iPad probably once or twice. Probably about 2 times. You know, just like I said, it depends. And as you can see here, you got your indicator lights. As you can see here, I'm gonna turn the lights down in the studio a tad bit. As you notice, when I turn the lights out, the green one now you see have a little light coming in that's hitting them solar panels. As you can see right here, the green light is showing that you're getting some kind of a charge, solar charge, and then you got your other LEDs, your blue LEDs, let you know what the battery status is or how much juice you got left. So it's pretty much almost topped off, you know, because I had it charging earlier before I put it back in the box. But other than that, pretty simple to the point. Let's go ahead and I'm going to use to charge up my Note to make sure these things are charging. It works. Fold it back up, clamp it up. That's a nice little touch. You got a little, almost like a book. That's a nice little touch, you know, little snap right there. But eventually over time that's probably going to wear out, but you know, hey, it is what it is. Let's go ahead and undo this and see how it's charging. Boy, you have to have some nails so to make sure the water don't get in there. I'm going to take my USB-C cord to charge up my Note 8. I'm going to plug it in here. Alright, nice and snug. As you can see, where's the indicator lights? Alright, now it's on. And we're going to see how much it charged. Let's see if it's fast charging or not. Alright, plug it in, bam, charging. And it's not saying fast charging. I don't know if you guys can see that. You see it's just regular charge. So let me see the other let's see the other USB, see if it, nope, it's not fast charge. So no fast charge. Well, wait a minute. Nope. No fast charge. Alright. So just regular speed, not fast charge. So that might have been a misprint on there, but anyway, it'll do the job. So yes, it's working. Both of them are working. Both USBs are working. So hey, you got plenty of juice to get you through the day. It's pretty neat, like that. And like I said, it's very heavy. You know, sturdy device. So if you're in the market and you need something, you're going doing a lot of camping, hiking, or whatever, this would be a good thing to have on you out there. Keep all your devices charged up, waterproof, so when you get out there and you're camping, you ain't worried about, you know, if you get caught in a little rain shower, you're not worried about, you know, bad boy messing up, because waterproof. Then you got you some light on there as well. Got your little flashlight, so you can see things here and there, you know, out there camping. SOS, you get stranded. You got the strobe, you know, gonna scare somebody off or whatever. And there you go. Pretty simple and to the point. Too easy. Too easy. So all my battle buddies out there, the soldiers out there in the military, you need something like this when you go out to the field. Keep your devices juiced up. This is a good pickup right here. I would recommend this. It's a good pickup. Alright. So that's been my little review of the 2500 mAh battery charger by IXNINE. I'm almost going to call it IXNINE. I'm probably murdering up the name, but IXNINE or 69 or whatever you want to call it, whatever. That's been a quick review. And I appreciate everybody taking out the time to check out the video. And if you haven't already, hit that like, subscribe, notification bell, so be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. And I appreciate everybody taking time out to check out the video. And like I said, when we get to 2,000 subscriber mark, we're going to be doing some giveaways. So some of the products you see here, we'll be doing some giveaways, alright? So, like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated, alright? Alright, and the message for the day is, believe in yourself and be passionate about everything you do. Be very passionate and believe in yourself. Be passionate in all the things you put yourself in. You will go out there to accomplish. All right. That's the message for the day. All right. This has been your boy Mark, Loose Screws and Views, and I'm out. Drop the mic. Peace. Yeah, and I'm gonna get a microphone one day so I can drop the mic. All right. Peace.